Who's that, Bubs? You want to sit on Daddy's lap?
Yeah.
Did you pick this for baby brother?
Oh, nice, Scarlett. Nice.
Hey, Bubsy. What are you doing?
Daddy!
Who's that, Scarlett?
Yeah.
Who is it? Is that your baby brother?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Holden.
Holden. Good girl.
Oh, his brother. Oh, his brother.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Oh, what a big helper.
His brother, Daddy?
Yeah, it's his bottle, yeah.
I think his brother.
I don't think he's hungry right now, baby.
I want his brother.
Okay.
His brother.
Can Daddy's try first?
I can just.
Oh, he's pooping.
I say baby, mommy.
Yeah.
Okay,
What's
all
his
done.
name?
Oh, Dad. His son.
Your turn.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
Oh, you too, Daddy.
No, I think we're gonna let him. I think he's all done for right now, baby.
Oh, me mess.
You made a mess? Oh no, let's clean it up. Oh, okay, all better.
No,
Linky doesn't want a bottle.
we can use any more stimulants.
Oh, don't shake it.
I think that.
I know, I said don't shake it. Can you put it on the table? We're all done.
Don't touch it, baby.
Don't touch it, it's for Holden. Can you put it on the table?
Thank you. Got it right now, baby. Okay.
Stars.
Stars, yeah.